Sorry about that, guys. My camera shut off, so we'll do number 12 through 20 on this ear training for 417 for the Friday. So starting with number 12 here, I'm going to play each of these in A minor so you can kind of hear them. So here is our 1 chord. Here's our 4 chord, which sounds a little higher. 5/7 chord. And that's got that mushed 2 notes at the top, the dissonance notes at the top. And then our 1 chord. Okay, so I'm going to play one of those, and let's see if we can figure out which one it is. One more time. So that was number 12. You're going to either write a 1, a 4, or a 5/7 to figure out which one you think it might be out of there. Number 13. Number 13. One more time, number 13. So on there, you're going to write a 1, a 4, or a 5/7. Which one of those did you get? All right, and for number 14, this is going to be our last chord in A minor. Here's number 14. One more time. So was that a 1, a 4? All right, that was a little sloppy. 1, a 4, or a 5/7. So you're going to answer one each for those. Just a hint, guys, is that 12, 13, and 14 were all different chords. So you're going to have one of those for each of the answers, okay? All right, so we're doing the same exact thing. Now we're going to do D minor. So a 1, 4, or 5 chord for each of these in D minor. So here is our first chord in D minor. One more time. So in D minor, you're going to write a 1, 4, or 5/7. Which one is it? Here's our next one for D minor. So write in your 1, 4, or 5/7 for number 16. And number 17, our last one for D minor. One more time. One, 4, or 5/7. So figure out which one you think it is. All right, and then the last section, we're going to do number 18 together. And then 19 and 20, you're going to tell me, is it a natural minor or a harmonic minor? So let's start by taking a look at A minor. And remember, A minor is the relative to C major. It's the relative minor to C major. And C major, no sharps, no flats. So the same thing for A minor if we're doing natural. No sharps, no flats. And at the top, it sounds pretty open and kind of low because we don't have the leading tone. So here's natural minor again. For harmonic minor, we're raising this 7th. So you want to listen for that step and a half. So here's what the whole scale sounds like for harmonic minor. One more time. All right, so we're going to try this first one together for number 18. Is it natural or harmonic? One more time. So it was natural minor because of that top note being a natural. And you can hear it sounds a little bit lower. So that one's going to be natural. Okay, so for 19 and for 20, I'm going to move into D minor. And I want you to tell me, is it natural or harmonic? It's going to be one of, they'll be different on each of these, just a hint. So this is, if this one's natural, this one's harmonic. If this one's harmonic, that one's natural. So here is 19, and then I'll play 20. Here is 19. One more time, here's 19. And here is 20. Here's 20 again. So write down on those if you think they're natural or harmonic. And then you're going to go ahead and put all of your answers for the whole thing onto that Google form and watch the little video clip that I have at the end of it as well. Have a great weekend, guys.